My name is Emmanuel Fuimono. I'm 16 years old and I'm a tenor.
My name is LJ.
My name is Mana.
My name is Alfred Fuimono.
I'm a part of Prima Volta. It's a youth initiative for young singers. We got to, my favourite thing about it was we got to travel around to, I think it was like 12 or something schools, and that was real cool. We got to meet heaps of people.
Prima Volta, it's amazing. It brings you together with other people you've never met, and over the time you just bond with them.
I didn't like opera until Prima Volta. Yeah. But now I do because I was in it.
Today we'll be hearing from Philip Rhodes and Anna Pierrard, and we're going to be performing 3 pieces as part of Prima Volta to support He Nadia O'Keefe